Hello, hello! Another unboxing. Our water kettle from SM. SM Supermarket. Ito ay $4.99. Hindi ko alam kung parang mura na siya. Hanabishi. 1.7 liters. $4.99. Kasi yung nakikita ko 1,000. 1,000 plus, pero may buy one take one. Pero 1,000 plus. Ito $4.99. Tcharan! Oh, white. Oops! Ay, ito pa. Kanya. Ganito siya kahaba. Iba kasi ang ikli lang, di ba? Pero,
We wait that. Let's see how it's over here. Oh, it's hanggang over here.
oh. Gawin natin.
Wait.
ASMR. Quiet. Wow.
This is
Wait,
how
compare the old one and the new one.
This is taller and this is smaller, and this has a not cool opening, but this has.
Not cool.
And this is a circle.
It's hard to open it for me, but this it's just like
Me, how to open it?
you see. I told you.
Ito pa. Nung bagong bili to, Asahi yan, no? Pero, ano to ha? Since Mimi and Dada is got married. Oh. Tagal na nito. Pag ino-on to, binababa ng ganon. Pero ngayon, tinataas na siya. I don't know what happened. Oh, this one, ang maganda din sa kanya, stainless na din yung loob.
What does stainless mean?
Ay, hindi siya plastic, pero yung labas niya, plastic. Ito, stainless pati yung labas, kaya mainit. Ito, hindi masyado. Ayan, pag bibili ka electric kettle, dapat stainless yung loob. Kasi may plastic siya. Kapag plastic, bakit may dirt?
Huh? May dirt?
I
Saan?
see.
Wait lang.
Wala.
Ganun. Paano siya i-open? Ganun siya.
How?
Tapos ito yung on and off niya.
You
We have to open.
wait. This is how you put. Wait, me.